Hello and welcome friends on this channel of Career Edge. And today I am here to notify you for the internship updates. There are 3 internships opening. One is of Amazon and 2 of IBM. All these internships, 2 of them are remote, and the Amazon internship is not clear, it is remote or it is location based. So total internship is 3, and the time lapse given in the description, you can directly jump to the internship which you want. So 2 internships of IBM and 1 of Amazon I'm going to show you in this video. Now you find various internship opening in a single video, just like in this video. So if you doesn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like this video, and also share with your friends who wants to internship in the MNCs just like Amazon, Google, IBM and many more. So let's start this video.
Knowledge on ETL means data warehousing, basic technical aptitude, database, healthcare knowledge, effective communication skills to communicate with and teammates and the customers. Next is problem solving attitude and resolve the issues. So these are the basic needs. So basically this is not any internship of cloud computing, software development or any data science. So here doesn't very much technical knowledge is required, only Python knowledge, basics to intermediate knowledge will be required. And after that, here about the business unit of IBM and some more details about IBM. So if you want to apply for this internship, just tap on apply now. There is a link in the description, the first internship with the link. So just tap on and just apply for this. So let's move to the next. This is the internship number 2. This is also from IBM, and this internship is in the Bangalore, but this is a COVID-19 period, so traveling is not required. This is also an online full-time internship where you also paid for your job. And here you can see this is in the Bangalore city and the state is Karnataka. So the basic education required is bachelor's degree. So now I am going to explore more about this in a 2 minutes. Here the internship, firstly the details about the IBM, the work culture and other. After that there is responsibilities and your role which fits with this internship. So take a look. In a first point it is mentioned research and analyze new technologies to be used. Example libraries, IDs, tools, IDs. And here after that develop high level architecture. So these are the basic things. It doesn't need to be mentioned in your resume. The main important thing which is need to be mentioned in your resume are the required factors which required for this internship. So here required technical and professional expertise. So the first one, validated programming with Python, Golang and C++. And after there is many things just like hands-on experience in microservices development and Kubernetes. If you done any quick labs, so there it is mentioned that Kubernetes, and there is also a lab for Kubernetes, so you can practice from there. And also mentioned here there is a specific batch for this Kubernetes lab, so you can just take that batch. And after that just mention in your resume that you do a lab from the quick labs of Kubernetes. And after that the basic description about IBM and other things. So that's not matter. If you want, then please apply for this. Move on the next. This is the internship number 3, and this is the most important and you all love it. This is an internship from Amazon D intern you can see on the screen. The location of this internship is Hyderabad, India. So take a look about this internship also. And this is business intelligence internship. So there is knowledge of business is also required for this. So let's look what are the requirements and what are the role and responsibilities for this internship. So firstly, there is a description where it is mentioned the work culture and other things. The basic qualification is the most important thing which you need to mention on your resumes, and the most important thing is 1+ years of experience as a data engineer or in a similar role. Next is experience with data warehousing and building ETL pipelines, and next is experience in SQL. So these are the basic qualification, and after that preferred qualification is there, knowledge about database and SQL and many more. So you just mention this type of things in your resume, so that your chances of getting this internship is more and more after mentioning all this in your resume. And also you can share many certificates. You just go through my channel, there are many certificate opportunities are there. You just got that certificates and mention in your resume. And here for applying in any Amazon internship, you need to be create an account in Amazon, and if you have an account on Amazon, just log in and start the application of this application process of this internship. This is the internship of business intelligence. So these are the 3 important internship openings of this week. So just sign up now in this internship and apply for this internship. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends.